we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How have you been? I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Usually my weekends begin with checking on my green plant babies. I never thought I can become a person who can keep plants alive, but here I am enjoying it thoroughly. While I was reading about plant care, I came across an article which stated that indoor gardening is not just for the Instagram, but actually it has a very curing and a therapeutic effect. If you are like me and Anshuman, who is always surrounded with laptops and computers, or you have a very stressful job, try gardening. It has proven effects of lowering your blood pressure and heart rate spikes that we often encounter in the stressful jobs. Anshuman and I enjoy this little garden of ours, and we love to take care of it through and through. Not just it helps in calming our overall mental health, but at the same time, it helps us to spend some time together. Not all plants are successful in my case, but I don't stop trying. So as a rule, what I have done is bring one new plant in every few days. Till now, palm tree and pothos have been my go-to plants. Since it was a weekend, Ishi had her own sweet little request. Mama, please make fluffy pancakes. So I thought I'll make a video for all the little ones out there whose mama or papa are watching this channel. This is super simple recipe, and I will take you along step by step and share all the tips and hacks to make this delicious yet healthy pancakes. This is a gluten-free pancake, and I'm making it with oats, almond flour or almond meal, and tapioca starch. This does not contain any maida. I'll be using eggs and I'll be whipping egg whites in my stand mixer, but any electrical hand whisk is just good enough. Now, whatever appliance you use, make sure you grease it with a little bit of vinegar to remove any sort of fat on it. Otherwise, your egg whites will not at all become fluffy. Separate your egg whites and egg yolk in 2 separate bowls. I like this simple method, using the shells to separate egg whites and egg yolks. If you're using an electric beater or a stand mixer like me, beat your egg whites on a high speed. While that's happening, let's prepare the wet ingredients. I'm using egg yolks and some good quality vanilla extract. I'm using 1/8 cup of olive oil. You can use coconut oil as well. To the egg whites, now I'm going to add sugar in 3 portions. This will help to incorporate all the sugar in the egg white, and I'm using the granulated version. This is organic raw sugar, but you can choose to use any sugar of your choice. You can also use coconut sugar or jaggery. In that case, a taste will be little different than what a normal pancake is. To my egg yolk mixture, I'm adding a cup of warm milk, and to this I'll add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You can use plain white vinegar as well. Our egg white mixture looks perfect. To my dry ingredient, I am adding 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder as well. This is totally optional, you can always skip. Now into the dry mixture, I'm adding the wet ingredients in again 3 portions. We'll be using cut and fold method. By using cut and fold method, what happens is you are not knocking all the air off. At the same time, do not add too much pressure on the batter. Though my hand movement is really fast, but the pressure is really gentle. I am not knocking off any air from my batter, if you can see. And I'm trying to scrape from the bottom and bring it to the top. Add all the whites in batches, whatever batches number you're comfortable with. I think I did it in 3 to 5 portions. This helped me to incorporate the white properly without knocking any air. Take your time in this step, as this is the crucial step, and this is what it makes your pancake really fluffy. She was there all along in the kitchen. She was over the moon excited for the pancakes. Heat your tawa on medium low flame, and I am making 4 pancakes in one go, but if you're comfortable, go for only 2 initially. And once you start seeing the bubbles on top of the pancake batter, that is the time to flip the pancakes. Now please remember, this pancake batter is slightly loose than the regular pancake batter, so you have to be really gentle with them. Choose your favorite toppings. Here I am topping this with a little bit of cream, strawberry jam that was homemade, and honey for Ishi. She also added a little bit of salted butter on side. That's her choice. She really likes the combination of sweet and salted. Do give this recipe a try, and I promise you, you will never ever go back to using maida again for your pancakes. It is nourishing for your family and for you, and it is very easy to make as well. If you have joined me till here, then please consider subscribing to the channel and follow me on Instagram at Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki. It was afternoon, or actually late afternoon, and I was feeling a little hungry. And I thought of making this simple chaat recipe. For chaat, I have used corns, carrots, cucumber, some green onions, and to this I am topping up with some jowar flakes. They are super crunchy and a perfect substitute for chivda or murmure puffed rice, and it adds a lot of nourishment to your simple, humble meal. I just want to spice it up with a little bit of bhujia. I was truly craving for a chaat, and this tasted exactly like that. Adjust the chili and lemon according to your taste, and you have a wonderful, delicious chaat, just in case you're craving for one. I hope you enjoyed these simple recipes. Give this video a thumbs up in case you did. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.